As the time is passing, large language models are getting mature, they are hallucinating less, but still it is not that hard to trick them or to even cheat them. I have done few previous videos where I have shown you fraud GPT and few other LLMs which can be used to trick other LLMs. In this video, I just want to touch upon a subject very quickly after seeing this tweet from Nassim Nicholas Taleb. He is, by the way, one of my most favorite intellectual in the world, and he talks without any frills, without any barriers. So if you don't know him, I would highly suggest go and read his tweets and also his um, very nice book on anti-fragility. You will enjoy it. Anyway, you can see that he says that Achilles heels of ChatGPT and LLM model is that they work by finding statistical similarities so you know where you can trick them if you are familiar with the nuances. This is the crux of this video. So if you want to trick an LLM, all you need to do is to find their statistical similarities. You can do that by storing the embeddings in the vector database and then retrieving them and then playing around with them. It won't be easy, but I believe if you program it well, you can do it, especially when it comes to the retrieval augmented generation or RAG techniques by using these vector databases, which I just mentioned. Also, he has shared this um, work by Philology Dojo, and let me show you it in the screenshot so you can see that here it is. Nassim has shown that he has worked around some of the nuances and other hallucinations of this chat GPT. Now, I think that still generative AI or similar subjects which are popping every day still have significant errors and hallucinations. They are still unreliable, and you would still need specialist information to get around them. If some people are saying that it is now Google's replacement, I really don't believe them at this point in time because there is no doubt that it might probably going to replace a search and other things as we know them today, but it will take time. So still, I believe that this is, you know, this artificial intelligence, especially this ChatGPT, is not the replacement of general intelligence because it is not sentient. Those are my 2 cents. I'm very keen to hear your thoughts on it, and I will drop the link to this tweet by Nassim in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.